Hello viewers, it's yet another day. We are going to continue with our day-to-day activities. Here we have some questions and I want us to simplify these questions. Question number 1, we are being told to simplify this particular question. So this is a surd and we need to simplify it. So we are going to start with question number 1, that is A, and we have 5 over 3 minus the square root of 2. So we simplify this question through what we call rationalizing. And rationalizing simply means eliminating the surd from the denominator. Eliminating the surd from the denominator region. And for us to simplify this surd, we are going to multiply this surd with the conjugate of the denominator. A conjugate simply means we need to multiply this with the opposite sign of the denominator. That will be 3 plus the square root of 2 over 3 plus the square root of 2. That is the first step to simplify a surd, or the first step of simplifying a surd. So then we multiply the numerator and then we multiply the denominator. So by multiplying the numerator, it is going to be 5 into brackets 3 plus square root of 2 over 3 minus the square root of 2. We multiply by 3 plus the square root of 2. So once we multiply the 2, we are going to get 5 multiplied by 3 will give us a 15. Then 5 multiplied by root 2 will be equal to 5 root 2. Why? Because the coefficient of the root of 2 is 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Then root 2 will remain there over the denominator. For us to expand this, we will expand it as we expand a quadratic expression. So we will take 3, we multiply by 3 plus root of 2. Then we take the second value minus root 2, open 3 plus square root of 2. And once we do that, we are going to get 15 plus 5 root 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 times root 2 will be equal to plus 3 root 2. Then minus root 2 times 3 will be equal to minus 3 root 2. Then minus root 2 times root 2, that is equal to minus root 4. Square root of 4 is a perfect root. So we are going to get minus 2. Reason being, the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So once we simplify this one, we can lab our first part. To continue. So we will continue it here. It will be 15 plus 5 root 2 over root 3. 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will be a 0. So a 9 minus a 2 will be equal to a 7. And we are going to have our answer as 15 plus 5 root 2 over 7. We are done with the first question. So let's continue to our second question. We continue with our second question. So our question number B, our second question is simplify 1 over root 2. So when we are told to simplify such kind of a surd, we are going to multiply at the numerator and at the denominator with our denominator here. So we will multiply by square root of 2 over the square root of 2. That is how we multiply it. So this dot simply means multiplication. You can use a multiplication sign or you can instead use a dot. So 1 multiplied by root 2 will be equal to root 2 over the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. That will give us the square root of 4. So square root of 4, this one is a perfect square, and 4 being a perfect square, that means it has a perfect root, and that is going to give us root 2 over the square root of 4 is 2, and we are going to have our answer as root 2 over 2. Generally, that is how we simplify surds, and when we have a surd sign or a surd in our denominator, we simplify it by rationalizing. If it is your first time to follow me, kindly click on the black button, that is the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you always be updated on this work that I'm doing. I will promise to be uploading a video each and every day, and also you can comment on the comment section in case there is an area you want me to emphasize on, maybe you did not understand during your classes. I'm much willing to help you work on your weak areas. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.